Good afternoon, my name is Alan Moody from Haulmore Trailer Sales in Perth, West Australia. Today is the 5th of April 2026, another beautiful day in downtown West Australia. Today I'm showcasing our beautiful Haulmore 30,000 litre water tanker, absolutely a premium grade product. I'll talk you a bit through this as regards the construction of it, the plumbing and the design and construction of the water tank. So for a start, we start through the subframe. Going from the ground up, we're talking about the tyres, which are 11R 22.5 by 16 ply. The axles are standard K-hitch 10 stud 285 PCD with drum brakes. Mass standard production stuff, very well serviced. The suspension is a 9-leaf 2.7 spread K-hitch suspension, as the landing lugs are also K-hitch heavy duty. The kingpin on this unit is a particularly important thing. It's a stress relief skid plate, which relieves all the stress from the tanker in some of the undulating conditions they have to operate. 2 rocker pins in there with grease nipples relieves the stress off the water tank. The skid plate is also designed with 2 only kingpin locations, one to suit a tri-dolly or tandem to get the weight distribution right. So if we move to the front of the tanker here, we see that it has a bolted companion flange, which allows us to use this as a back trailer and be road training 2 tankers with a total of 60,000 litres of water. And you'll see each unit has a visi gauge there to see what volume of water you have in the tank. So talking about the tank construction now, this is high quality stuff. It's grade 304 stainless steel. The tank shell is out of 5mm material. The bulkheads and the 4 transverse baffles, as well as the full length, and I repeat, full length transverse baffle or wash plate is out of 4mm. Now the wash plate is there so that the tanker doesn't fall over when it's half full of water. In other words, it's got 15 tonne of water which swashes around and can tip the tanker and the truck on its side. So design and construction absolutely bulletproof, and designed specifically for our harsh West Australian environment. So we'll talk down to the end here and I'll talk about some of the plumbing. Here again, the plumbing is, all the plumbing is stainless steel, and the components we fit are not about the cheapest price, it's about doing the job as best we can. So I'll go through this for you very slowly. Firstly, we have 3 only fan sprays. We don't use Magnum sprays anymore because they jam up and they leak. We use a fan spray which is adjustable with an air operated valve on each one of them. You can operate the whole 3 together or one at a time, and we'll do a demonstration sometime soon. We also have what we used to call a dribble bar, but now they're ground discharge fan sprays. We do 2 of them. You can either use the 2 together or you can use one at a time just with water, the council verge. Also the volume of water is adjustable with some stainless steel clamps on these, as is the adjustment, so you can adjust the water in or out, have a wide swathe of water or a narrow swathe of water. This particular unit is also fitted with a diverter valve so that it can be used as a lead trailer for pulling 2 water tankers, as I said earlier, with a total of 60,000 litres of water, and dropping it onto the road in about the most efficient manner that you can. Ring feeder is fitted as standard. Hose reel is also very, very high quality. You can buy things with half the price of this, but they'll last 3 years and they'll fall off. So high pressure hose reel. This particular unit can be used for washing down this particular tanker or other pieces of plant equipment, and it also can be used very well as an emergency firefighting tanker. Shire councils like that because they can assist any bushfires that may happen in their area. So very shortly I'm going to crank it up and give you a demonstration of the fan sprays. Here again, as I'll say, the volume of water is adjustable, as is the direction. These fan sprays can be moved in and out. This unit can be taken off or be swung out here, and this little clamp can adjust the volume of water that we have. So engine revs, road speed, volume of water, so you get the most efficient performance you can as regards road watering. That is just one unit. You can use the whole 3 units together or one at a time. As I say, you adjust the flow in or out, high volume or low volume. There's the left one going. How beautiful is that? And that's not putting much revs into there. They're probably 1200 revs into the truck hydraulics at the moment. There we'll go the middle one at the moment. Whoa! And that's just one spray. So if you really want to go do it, you'd have the other two pointing out to the side of the unit, depending on what you're doing. If it's road construction or road dampening, one would probably do that job. So sometime soon we'll show you the gravity discharge, one at a time as well. There's the gravity discharge, and you can adjust that flow. It's a small volume of water, you can adjust it in or out. And then we can operate the two together. Well, I don't know whether we can do this on the air at the moment, it's only a temporary installation. So you can use one off or two off together. So all in all, designed for West Australia, and if it can hold together for West Australian conditions, it's available to do any job anywhere in Australia. A beautiful piece of workmanship. I'm very proud to sell them. Any inquiries, please phone Alan Moody at Haulmore Trailer Sales. My mobile number is 0418 802 007, or please visit our workshop. These are under constant manufacture, as well as available in our rental fleet for immediate rental. Email address is alan@haulmore.com.au. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen to our little presentation today. Bye.